Did you know you can change the material of objects in Reality Composer, which will affect how the physics simulation applies to them? Here's how. To start with, I've made this simple scene using some 3D spheres and some signs. You can add the signs in the normal way, and you can actually customize these as well to change the text, the size, the color, everything you want. I've duplicated it to make sure I've got one for every material option available. So, at the moment, these balls are just made of whatever material comes as default. They don't do anything, they don't move. If you tap onto one of them though, and then scroll down to Physics, you can flick that switch on. At this point, this object will now interact with the world around it, and you can see we've got some new options. So, let's change the material and make sure, first of all, it matches my sign. This one is going to be concrete. If I now press the play button on the top toolbar, you will see your scene come to life. Except, well, you won't yet, because that object is fixed in space. On that physics screen, tap on the word fixed and choose dynamic instead. This way, whatever gravity is in your scene will apply to that particular object. Now if I press play, that ball should drop and hit the floor. That's perfect. So now let's go down the line and we'll tap on each object, go on to physics, switch it on, choose dynamic, and then change the material. Phew, quite a few steps. We'll do that for each one, so we've got the ice, the lead, the plastic, and all the other materials there ready to go. Then, when you go to the top and you press the play button, you should see all of those balls dropping at the same time, due to gravity, but they'll be interacting with the ground in different ways because of the materials we've chosen. You can do all sorts of things, and it really is a great way of demonstrating physics and properties of materials in your classroom using augmented reality on the iPad. Hey, thanks for watching that video. Now, if you enjoyed that and you want to find some more quick tips for your iPad or to use in your classroom, do me a favour and press the subscribe button down below. That will really help me out, and it will help you keep up to date with all the latest tips and tricks on my YouTube channel.